Hello everyone, I'm Rizzo from SDM Magnetics. We are ISO and IATF certified manufacturer of permanent magnets and magnetic assemblies. Today I'm going to introduce one of our new products. It's this one. It has a very interesting name. It's called fishing magnet. So people will ask why it's called fishing magnet. Well, it's not actually a real fish because fish don't eat magnet, right? It's actually used to fishing the metal things, like coins or swords in the river or in the lake. So the theory is actually simple. So to use the super strong iridium magnet to attract the metal objectives in the liquid. So now let's have a look at it. So this is the packaging. It's red because when you're outside, you go out, you really want to find it easily, so we use retrieve color. So you open it, there are several things here. This is a rope, stainless hook, plastic shovel, use manual, and a magnet. So now let me show you how it works. So first, you put the magnet here. This is the stainless hook. So you just tie it up with the magnet. Make sure it's tied up. Now, it's done. So you can just throw it into the river or lake or even in the sea to fish in whatever you can find. So, and this one is to clean it up because after using in the river usually it's really dirty. Okay, so this is our new product, interesting and very funny. So if you would want to know more or details about our products, we see you again on 27th of July on our online show. Thank you very much.